Did you know that St. Mark's was founded over 50 years ago? A lot has changed since we opened our doors to the first graduating class back in 1969. What began as a few modest classrooms on a mound of dirt have blossomed into a sprawling 50-acre campus with over 200,000 square feet of technology and innovation. There has never been a better time to be a Spartan. Come, take a look inside. All this is possible because of you.
Because of you, I have the chance to explore my interests and God-given talents, which will prepare me for success, now and in the future.
Because of you, I get to belong to a community who celebrates the core values of St. Mark's High School: faith, excellence, humility, and integrity.
Because of you, I get to experience the world of creativity in a classroom through the eyes of an artist.
Because of you, I get to play for the best school in the region. We have over 100 state championships and we're just getting started.
Because of you, I can serve my community. I'm trying to do my part to make the world a better place.
Because of you, this place has really become home. I've made friendships that will last a lifetime.
All things are possible here at St. Mark's because of you. Your investment is creating spaces for me to succeed. Thank you for investing in my future.
Thank you for investing in my future.
And my future.
And my future. And my future.
And my future.
Thank you for making this possible.
Thank you.
Thank you for your generosity.
You're so generous.
Thank you. I appreciate you.
Thank you for making all of this possible.
You really make a difference.